Wechsemi Julius Migos Ogamba niga kwanira mugiro bw'abakora imirimo b'iki university gose chirekchara kwana emambia rero asare kwigora amatemu ayensemi ya kwale nigo ateba nigo kikirite aba lecturer abo kogenda mugiro nigo atebire buna bachikomera nebyombe abyo birense yobomo bwa UASU rigo kwanira gose kutwara chinkwana igoro yo gukora mugiro yo.
Mnajua vizuri kwamba the university crisis started in September, and the university crisis had three issues. One of the issues was on the CBA of 21-25, whose amount of 2.73 billion, which fell in the financial year 25-26 and was supposed to be paid in July, had not been paid as at the time the notice of strike was issued in September. The second issue they had was on a CBA of 2017-2021. The CBA of 2017-2021 was a CBA of 16.8 billion. 8.8 billion had been paid, but SRC then indicated that there was a balance of 624 when the unions indicated that there was a balance of 7.9 billion. But tomorrow we are in Parliament with them, so we'll be meeting there with Parliament, officers from the Ministry, officers from Treasury, officers from the unions, and we'll brainstorm together and see whether we can come to an agreement tomorrow. In the meantime, the 12 universities that are completely not teaching, some of the senates have made a decision to close, including JKUAT, which closed yesterday, and others are meeting to assess the situation of the students because they've not been in class for almost 50 days to make a decision on whether to close or not. But as a government, we are doing something to resolve that challenge, because it's a challenge that is life, but it's a challenge that is on our table through past non-decision making, and which is what we do not want to do now. So for this particular government, we want to resolve that issue so that in the future we don't have lecturers going on strike every other time. So that's really the challenge that we have, but we are working towards resolving, and I want to encourage the unions to consider the offer that the government has given, because previously, whatever offer that we had given, we have already made good. So we are not in arrears in any sense. And also, the students that are being punished now, and I thank them for being calm and remaining calm as they wait. The students that are being punished now were not there in 2017. They were not there in 2021. They are current in their payments to the lecturers. This is actually a historical debt or a pending bill, for lack of a better word, which can be resolved in other ways other than going on strike and denying the current students the studies when they have already done their part. So I'm just asking the unions to look into this issue and be open to discussion so that we can have it resolved.